Unit 5, The Melody of Rain. Helping Cloud. A cloud rolled along merrily in the sky. It danced with the sun so high it made a shadow below. My feathers are dusty. Why don't you rain? The peacock cried. The pool is dry. Please rain. I need more water. The fish begged. My crops are dying. Please rain. The farmer pleaded. Ponds and lakes are empty. If you rain, I will sail paper boats, Sonu said. Friends, I am on the way. The cloud smiled. The peacock spread its pretty feathers and danced in joyful rhythm. The pond was filled with rain. The fish was happy. The farmer walked through the muddy fields. He happily started planting paddy. Sonu and his friends started playing in the puddles. Splish, splash, splosh. They jumped and leaped with cheerful shouts. The cloud filled everybody's heart with joy. It moved on. What will happen next? Draw and describe. The paddy will grow into plants and the children will continue to enjoy. Let's explore the story. 1. What did the peacock do when it rained? The peacock spread its pretty feathers and danced in joyful rhythm. 2. Why was the fish unhappy? The fish was unhappy because the pool was dry. 3. What is the farmer's problem? The farmer's crops were dying. 4. What will Sonu do if it rains? If it rains, Sonu will sail paper boats. 5. How did the cloud make everyone happy? The cloud made everyone happy by raining. Activity 1. Show your gratitude to the rain. The rain helped different creatures in many ways. Imagine how they would thank the rain. 2 examples are given for you. Now fill in the blanks for the others. Farmer. Thank you, rain, for watering my crops. Fish. Thank you, rain, for filling the ponds. Children. Thank you, rain, to help us play in the puddles. Peacock. Thank you for your kind concern. Boy. Thank you, rain, to help me to sail the boats. Activity 2. You have come across the word shadow in the story. How many words can you make using the letters in the word? Make as many words as possible and write them below. Shadow. Show, had, how, who, ash, hoard, saw, wad, dash, wash, woe, showed. Activity 3. The following events describe the helping cloud. They are in the wrong order. Put the sentence in the correct order. 1. The peacock spread its pretty feathers. 2. The farmer started planting paddy. 3. The cloud filled everybody's heart with joy. 4. The fish was happy. 5. Sonu and his friends started playing in the puddles. Now let's arrange the sentences. 1. The peacock spread its pretty feathers. 2. The fish was happy. 3. The farmer started planting paddy. 4. Sonu and his friends started playing in the puddles. 5. The cloud filled everybody's heart with joy. Activity 4. Tarun spends his vacation near a river. Help him write a paragraph about his memorable experience. A few clues are given below. What a perfect day it was. I played with my friends near the river. We had an incredible time. First, we swam and splashed in the cool water. Then, we played with paper boats. After that, we went under the water to see some fishes. Later on, we went for a boat ride. After the adventures in water, we painted the river. Then we made a sand castle using the sand near the river. After playing, we decided to do some cleaning. So we cleaned the area surrounding the river. As nighttime approached, we had a campfire near the river. It is one of the best days of my life. Activity 5. Project. Water conservation is essential for sustaining life on earth. Given below are some of the ancient Indian water conservation practices. Go through it. Step well. A step well is a traditional structure built in India to store water. So, water becomes available in dry seasons. Wetland. A wetland is a place where rainwater is stored naturally. Irrigation canal. Irrigation canals help farmers grow crops even when there is little rain. Check dam. A check dam is a small wall built across a stream. It stores rainwater and helps increase groundwater. Now observe the condition of the water body in your locality. Use the checklist given below to collect information. 1. What is the water source you found? Well. 2. Is the water clean? Clean. 3. Is there any waste thrown near or in the water? No. 4. Is the water source covered or opened? Covered. 5. Who uses this water? People. 6. Is wastewater from any source flowing into the water body? No. 7. Did you see any message or board saying save water or don't waste water? No. 8. Is anyone taking care of the water source? Yes. 9. Is the water safe for drinking? Yes. 10. Will you help in keeping this water source clean? Yes. My observations. There are various forms of water bodies. We should preserve them and keep it clean. My suggestions to protect the water body. Clean the water bodies at least once a week. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates.